guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got my blonde hair. So I'm using a frontal from Ross Pretty Hair, bundles from Asteria Hair, and when I ordered from Ross Pretty Hair they also included this dome cap, which is perfect. These are the toners I'm using. You only need to use a toner because the hair is already a 613. If it was dark hair, you would have to bleach the hair and then tone it. So this is what the frontal looked like. It has light brown lace, which is perfect for my skin tone. So first I mixed up and applied the Wella Toner in T35, which is beige blonde, and I used a brush to apply that to the roots. What I did was just part the hair and then apply the toner on each side, section it off, and then repeat the process. And if you get toner on the wig, it's not really a big deal because it's not hair dye. It's not going to show up when you put your wig on, and it will wash out after a few washes. So you don't really have to worry about getting the toner on the lace. It's not a big deal. So that's how I did the roots. And I like having dark roots or shadowed roots just because I feel like it makes the hair look a little bit more natural on my skin tone. Next I applied the T15, which is pale beige blonde, to the body of the hair. And I'll be honest with you, I should have been using gloves, but my hands are used to chemicals because I do this so often. But I'm not saying that you should do this. You should definitely wear gloves. You do get chemical burn from the developer, but it's not nearly as bad as if you did this with bleach. I would never use my hands if I were bleaching hair. But I had run out of gloves, so I was like, I need to get this done. But I definitely do not suggest you do this. If you do have gloves, definitely wear them. So I'm just applying the T15 toner to the body of the hair, making sure that I thoroughly cover the hair so none of the original blonde shows through. And I'm also making sure I apply it right where the root color ends, all the way to the tips of the hair, so there's no line of demarcation. Everything's just going to melt together and blend really well. And that's Jeff in the background. So I followed the same process with my bundles. I applied the T35 near the weft, and then I applied the T15 toner on the body of the hair so it would match the frontal. And I left it on for 30 minutes. The longer you leave your toner on, the more toned it's going to be. And then I'm going to show you what the frontal looked like after I had applied the toner. And I did not shampoo after I rinsed this out. I just conditioned it. And that's what the hair looks like. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Bye!